Want to know how to buy or get crystals in Paladins? So you can't get crystals for free and you need an in-game purchase. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily get them in just under a minute. So getting crystals payment or legally is super simple. So on the leftmost side you should be seeing various options popping up, and right below trials are the real you should be seeing store right here, so you can just simply select it. So once you have selected store, you should be seeing various options. So make sure you are under any one of these three right here. So on the top left side you should be seeing buy crystals right here. Just simply select it. Now once you have selected buy crystals, here should be seeing you can simply purchase crystals as you want. So you can just simply see the amount as well, and it should direct you to Steam where you can just simply buy it exactly. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.